Hello guys, this is Z from RedCyberShield.com, and in this lesson, we will be taking a look at the input command in Python 3. Now it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is type in input with parentheses. And if we run it, we'll see this little box right here, which allows us to type and say things such as hello world. Now, we can set a variable as user input like so. Let's say var, and let's set that equal to input. And then print var. Now let's go ahead and comment this out, and let's run it. Now we'll see that we have the box. We will say just hello, and it prints hello back. Now we're going to use an if-else statement to get yes or no values. So in this input, just like the print command, we can put double quotes. And we're going to say, is Python cool? And then we are going to say yes or no, and put a space at the end. Now, we're going to say if var, which we defined right here, equals y, then we're going to print out cool. Else, we're going to print out something such as that's our guy. And you can put anything inside these print commands, you can put anything inside the input command, and when we run this, we'll see is Python cool, yes or no. Let's go ahead and say yes. Then it says cool. If we run it again, it'll ask it saying is Python cool, yes or no. And we are going to say no. And it will return that's okay. Thanks for watching. The next lesson will be on loops in Python 3.